Welcome back to DK Squad Studio. Today, we're exploring how AI and IoT are revolutionizing the semiconductor industry and what engineers can do to stay ahead. Number 1. AI-enhanced manufacturing is optimizing semiconductor manufacturing processes, from defect detection to predictive maintenance. Engineers should learn about AI applications in manufacturing to improve efficiency and yield. Number 2. Internet of Things-driven automation. The Internet of Things IoT enables seamless connectivity and automation in semiconductor fabs. Understanding IoT protocols and devices can help engineers implement smart manufacturing solutions. Number 3. Smart sensors. Smart sensors are crucial for real-time monitoring and control in semiconductor production. Engineers should focus on sensor design and integration for improved process control. Number 4. Big data analytics. Big data analytics helps in making data-driven decisions for process optimization and quality control. Engineers should develop skills in data analysis and machine learning. Number 5. Digital twins create virtual models of semiconductor manufacturing processes, allowing for simulation and optimization. Familiarity with digital twin technology can enhance process development and troubleshooting. Conclusion: leveraging AI and Internet of Things in the semiconductor industry can drive innovation and efficiency. Stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech trend videos. Thanks for watching.